All right, so there is something wrong is going on between me and my mechanic, and in situation where my car Hyundai Sonata hybrid plug-in 2016 is not being fixed, right? And is kind of going out of hands. Hi, my name is William. I have multiple channels across the YouTube, some of them faceless, some of them for YouTube shorts only. And on this channel, I share my knowledge and experience. So, like 2 months ago, I came to mechanic that fixing the hybrids, and I was asking to fix my car. So he did some testing, diagnostics, and he decided that this is a battery. That's the similar thing that my old mechanic said, but he wouldn't want to get involved with the hybrids, right? So I went to my current mechanic and he replaced my battery, and it was quick and fast, but the thing is battery didn't didn't work well. He said it's a bad battery too. Okay, so what I did back then, I did come back like 7 times. He asked me to come back, and all the time we was doing swapping the batteries. The thing is, in a Hyundai Sonata hybrid plug-in, usually that kind of cars have a battery that's split in two. It's kind of two batteries, and I'm not talking about regular 12 volts battery for the gas car or for the hybrid. I'm talking about each EV battery, and it's huge. It's in the trunk and behind the seat, the rear seat, and it have everything on it. It have a cooling unit, which is air cooling unit, and it have a what do you call it? A battery management system on the battery itself, and so I kind of losing my passion because I've been there at mechanic shop 7 times. I took day offs from my job because I was hoping that is a quick fix. Turns out, like he told me, he kind of knew with this kind of vehicle, Hyundai Sonata, and that is why it's getting so much time and efforts, right? It did cost me 2,500 though, and he's still testing. So now he replaced the battery, and now he's sure this is a battery management system which was on my previous battery good, and on the current one battery management system is bad. So he want to swap a battery management system. I mean, cool, man. You can practice all you want, but why do you do this at the expense of your customer, right? This is gonna result in a bad review, especially if you're not gonna fix it. It's gonna be a disaster. Okay, so what I doing right now, I'm just applying for a Facebook market. I want to sell my car cheap so people can fix it and then sell it for the full price. Normally it would work in the Bay Area, except the fact that I don't have my car on hands because my mechanic is just, I don't know, wonderful person who's still working on it, and will it result in a working car or he gonna screw up everything? I don't know, but right now it's Wednesday, and on Saturday and Sunday I have people to come and look at my car, so I don't know how do I present it. I already mentioned it in the description on the market that a car have issues with the battery, which is normally normal at that mileage at that car, because it's 132,000 miles. So you can imagine how battery is bad. Again, if my mechanic will not be able to fix it, what do I do? Do I sell it cheap? Do I keep it? I can't keep it though, because soon my registration going to expire, and I don't know, I'm just gonna buy a new car. I mean, I'm gonna buy a used car. I was thinking about buy certified pre-owned car, maybe in Toyota dealership. Maybe I'm gonna go to the Hertz dealership and to see if they have that kind of car for say for 20,000 K, so I can take a loan. I can get a down payment, especially if I'm gonna sell my hybrid. I can get a decent down payment, and then I just gonna buy a gas car. I don't want these troubles anymore with hybrid. Yes, it's go very easy on the fuel. It's more than 40 mpg, but the repair processes are just insane. If you need a new battery, it's gonna cost you like a new car. If you're gonna buy a used battery, there is no guarantee that it's gonna fix your situation. Also, not to mention that there are expendables. For oil, you need to buy a new synthetic oil, fully synthetic oil. Replacement of it is gonna be like another $60-$80 depending on where you're changing your oil. Then you need to change your braking pads, and this is a whole different story for the hybrids because they have a recuperation mechanism on the braking pads. When you use brakes on your car, it's recharging your battery. That's why the process of replacing and replacing of the braking pads and wheel alignment after that gonna take like, I don't know, what was it, all around it's gonna be like more than $500. So in my understanding, it's better keep the gas car, but it's maybe gonna be not that much fuel economy in terms of mpg, but at least I'm not gonna have maintenance expenses, right? Also, if it's used or new gas car that have not a lot of mileage, you're not gonna have a lot of mechanical issues, right? It's kind of win-win situation, so I'm still thinking about it depending on how it goes with my current car fixes. I have interviews for the side job that I found that I start applying recently to support myself in terms of the fixes, so I need to pay for the fixes of my car and not to go hungry, right? And I found a couple of jobs they want interview, and I need time, right? I need to car to navigate, and I'm just lost. How do I handle this situation? It's all coming at me at once, and that's okay. I mean, I'm gonna handle it. It's just gonna take time. And yesterday I had like panic attack. What do I do next? What do I do next? How do I handle all this juggling with all my car, with the batteries, with fixing, with new jobs, interviews? I don't know. I'm gonna take a baby steps approach, one small step at a time, and I hope it's gonna help. As of right now, I have issues with the main job. We're losing a contract, and they have a lot of options that doesn't really work for me. Like make a transfer to other locations, and I don't want to transfer that far. And not to mention that I'm gonna have an issue with badges and access areas. So I found another jobs that suits me well at the same location that I work now. And they kind of take time with the hiring process. Not to mention that I didn't get to be interviewed yet. So we'll see. There are other opportunities outside of my area of expertise, and I'm willing to take it. But it's also taking time. If I'm not gonna be able to find anything good here, I probably will move to the other areas where there are plenty of jobs opportunities. So it's it will be another it will be another story, another saga, because changing places where I live, it usually involves work with the documents, changing address, reporting to the certain organizations, and getting mails from them with confirmation, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, this is a different story again. I'll keep you posted, guys. Like and subscribe, and maybe comment on how you handle all your coming on your situations in your life. And see you in the next one.